break from the ants? Want a break from the ants?
Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. This is Greedy Bedie's Flavor Factory, formerly known as Greedy Bedie's Lovely Locks, and I used to call myself Lovely Locks because my name is Lee, and it would be Lovely spelled L-E-I-G-H, and then Locks L-O-C-S. That's because I used to do lock extensions, and I started out my locks with lock extensions actually. And here is something I'm just showing you. I started back in 2016 when I first started learning how to crochet lock extensions. I would get the bokeh hair. It looks just like 4C afro hair. This is inside of a thingy. This is when I finished already. It's 48 inches, but look how small it looks once it is finished. And now the purpose of a lock extension is to basically make your ponytail or your loc bun look fuller. This is 48 inches. Doesn't even look like it. And that's a complaint that I got because I do sell my lock extensions on Etsy. This one isn't finished, so you see it's a little rough looking. I have not pruned the sides down yet, but they are all pencil width, meaning like the thickness of them. And this one's also going to be 48 inches for the same order. And after I wash them, condition them, usually, now I just started doing that too. I usually don't wash and condition them. I just do them, put them in, package them up, send them off. It's because some people houses have smells, or and have you ever bought like weave or something before and it had a smell to it? That's what I'm trying to avoid. And some people at their request, they don't want you to wash them. Some people do want you to wash them, because and then you see how stiff it is too. Once you wash it, it softens up. And that's why I like to wash it too. So wash it, let it dry, and then I can go through and feel for any like soft spots, like weak spots. And at that time, if there are any weak spots, I can tighten them up with my crochet hooks here. These are different size crochet hooks that I use. And then they're good to go. I don't really know what else or how. Someone requested this video actually. So also I do have a loc rope of my own that I wear from time to time when I'm trying to achieve certain looks and certain styles. Now my hair was like almost tailbone length. I cut it because it was just too much. I ran out of hairstyles. I got tired of wearing buns every day. It was heavy. So I cut my hair into like a bob. Excuse me. But now that it's growing back a little bit, I'm able to get a good ponytail. I wrap this around, pin it, and I'm good to go. I still can get a bun without the heaviness of all that hair that I used to have. And I am going to insert in this video basically how I achieve certain looks with the loc bun. I mean, it's kind of self-explanatory, but some people don't get it, and I keep getting requests to make a video on how to basically install the loc bun. This is just a measuring tape that I'm using because I have one of those fabric tapes for when you measure something that's like this, instead of something like a table or a door. This is more for that. But this is what I'm using because I'm downstairs and I'd have to go upstairs to find my measuring tape, the fabric soft one. Anyway, guys, stay tuned. Well, guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for letting me be vulnerable and just be myself with my 5 head. And if you have any questions, just leave them down below and let me know what else you guys want to see. Thanks for watching. Peace out. See you when I see ya.